The holographic light universe, a dance of consciousness and vibrations. Throughout history, both science and spirituality have sought to unravel the mysteries of existence, consciousness, and the fabric of reality. A compelling perspective emerges when we explore the notion that reality is not a fixed, static construct, but rather a fluid and dynamic interplay of vibrations within the quantum field. This concept aligns with the idea of a holographic universe, where all that we perceive as solid, tangible matter is, at its core, an intricate dance of light and frequency. To better understand this, we can use a simple yet profound analogy: the experience of ice and water. Ice experiencing water, a metaphor for reality. Ice and water are fundamentally the same substance, H2O, yet they manifest in different forms depending on vibrational states. Water, in its liquid form, flows freely, adapting to its environment. Ice, on the other hand, is a structured and rigid form of the same substance, a result of a lower vibrational state. Similarly, what we experience as solid physical matter is simply a denser, slower vibration of the quantum field, while light, energy, and consciousness exist as higher frequency expressions of the same underlying reality. This perspective suggests that human experience, our physical bodies, thoughts, and emotions, are like ice in this analogy, a slowed-down, structured state of the same fundamental essence that exists in more fluid, energetic forms elsewhere. Consciousness, as the great observer and shaper of reality, interacts with this quantum field, giving rise to the perceived solidity of our world. However, just as ice can melt into water and water can evaporate into vapor, consciousness too has the potential to shift between states of existence, expanding and contracting along the infinite spectrum of vibrational possibilities. The fractal complexity of the infinite quantum field. Now extend this simple transition of ice to water by infinity. This is the nature of reality, an incomprehensibly vast and boundless field where every possible vibrational state exists simultaneously. Consciousness is not merely a passive observer of this quantum field. It is the navigator, the controller, and the experiencer, capable of shifting between these states. This perspective challenges conventional notions of time and space, which appear to be constructs within the holographic projection of existence rather than absolute truths. Time, rather than being linear, becomes a perceptual construct that consciousness uses to experience reality in an ordered fashion. The act of shifting between vibrational states, whether through meditation, altered states of awareness, or deep introspection, reveals the fluid, boundless nature of existence. This means that consciousness is not confined to one state or trajectory. It can undergo gradual transformation, like water slowly freezing, or experience sudden shifts, akin to sublimation where a solid turns directly into vapor. The role of free will in shaping reality. A crucial implication of this model is the realization that each individual consciousness holds the controller to their own experience. Free will extends beyond simple decision-making in the physical world. It encompasses the ability to tune into different frequencies of existence, altering one's perception and interaction with reality. As consciousness refines its awareness, it gains the ability to transition between states more freely, transcending limitations imposed by conditioned beliefs and material constraints. Collectively, humanity is engaged in this vast, multidimensional journey of self-exploration. Each conscious being contributes to the unfolding of reality, much like individual waves shaping the ocean's movement. The interconnected nature of existence means that shifts in perception and awareness at the individual level contribute to the broader evolution of consciousness itself. This aligns with the idea that the universe is fundamentally participatory, with reality emerging as a co-creation between the observer and the observed. Breaking the illusion of separation. The deeper one looks into this holographic framework, the more apparent it becomes that separation is an illusion. Just as ice and water are ultimately the same substance in different states, so too are self and other, observer and observed, physical and spiritual. This realization dissolves the rigid boundaries we impose on existence, revealing an interconnected web of being where consciousness is both the creator and the created. In this light, existence itself is an infinite hall of mirrors, reflecting different facets of the same underlying truth. Every shift in perception reveals another layer of this boundless field, and the deeper one goes, the more one realizes that there was never a true division, only the illusion of separateness created by differences in vibrational states. The journey of consciousness, then, is not one of seeking an external truth, but of remembering and experiencing the infinite possibilities within itself. The metaphor of ice and water provides a gateway to understanding the nature of existence in a holographic, vibrational universe. By expanding this concept to infinite variations, we glimpse the profound complexity of consciousness, navigating an endless spectrum of possibilities. There is no true beginning or end, only the continuous, ever-evolving exploration of reality through different states of awareness. Ultimately, the essence of existence is awareness itself, forever shifting, experiencing, and evolving through the dance of light and vibration. As conscious beings, we are both the explorers and the explored, the creators and the creation, engaged in an eternal process of self-discovery. This realization invites us to embrace the fluid nature of reality, to consciously tune into higher states of being, and to recognize that, beyond all illusions of form, we are the infinite, boundless essence of the universe itself.